February, I'm actually going away and I felt in need of a little bit of a refreshment, you know, like fresh hair, fresh nails, fresh lashes. So I thought I'd actually film the process for you guys to see. I feel like I do this transformation quite often, but I don't show you guys the behind the scenes, so I'm gonna take you along with me. Oh, and there's also a brand trip in this vlog which was super fucking fun, so yeah, stay tuned for that. So I'm filming with my hood up to try and mask my hair transformation, even though I know you guys have already seen it because you saw it in last week's video. So I don't actually know why I'm going to the extreme lengths to do this. So the lovely people at Headmasters actually offered to do my hair for me, and I basically just wanted a top-up of the style that I had before, which was blonde highlights but not so obvious, if that makes sense. However, this time I wanted it more obvious. I wanted everyone to know that I'd gone freaking blonde. This was genuinely one of the nicest salons I've ever been in. It was so clean, it was so pretty in there, everyone was super lovely. The service that I received was just incredible. The thing is though, I feel like whenever something's gifted, everyone just assumes what you're saying is a lie due to the whole stigma that some influencers advertise things that they've never even tried before, so it is a false perception. But I can confirm that I was super pleased with the staff, the colour, the cut, just literally everything about this salon. Like, oh my god, they even had chairs when they were washing your hair that massaged your back. I've never had that in a salon before. That was just freaking crazy. So I'm sure, as you saw in my recent video, you'll know what my hair looks like straight out the salon. So it was super cute, curled. I've actually never curled my hair before like that. It's just really cute. So now the next transformation didn't actually happen until a whole week later, but it's so worth the wait because I just believe that this part of the transformation changes my face and I just feel a lot more confident. But while we wait for that transformation, let's just take a look at what I did in between, which was the branded trip with Motel Rocks. Good afternoon. I have not started my vlog and haven't vlogged in a long time, but we're actually in Canterbury with Motel Rocks. Kira and Anna are behind me and we've just arrived in the hotel room. I've had an absolute mare today. Missed so many trains because of the tube, so isn't that typical London? But we've just arrived in the room, so I'm going to show you around. I'm very excited to just get away. The view behind me is literally incredible. Don't know the itinerary though. Does anyone know what we're doing? So we're open to suggestions down in the comments what we're going to do.
Oh, you're vlogging. Underage drinking. Just kidding.
You're only 12. Okay, Anna's told me that I'm apparently gonna cry. Oh, I didn't realise that that was a different pillow to that one. I bought pajamas, but they're silk pajamas. Dun 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 dun. Fun! Wait, where's the toilet? Oh, okay, it's there. Make yourself a priority. Thanks, girlies.
I hate the man.
You hate the man? Oh.
Why is that in the bathroom?
Amy's gonna watch me pee. Okay, so we've just seen the itinerary and obviously we are way past 1 PM because I was running late as per usual. So we've got a bake-off, which probably gonna poison everyone because I can't cook. I'm really excited for that. Then we've got our meal, Galentine's dinner, how lovely, Prosecco stop. There it is. Oh wait, yours is a different colour to mine. And then we've got tarot and palm reading, which I've never had done. Anna's had it done before and I'm just always a bit like sus whether it's real. So we'll see what happens there. Then we have a movie marathon. Oh yes, I'm so excited. And then yoga in the morning, so that's fun because I can't do yoga. Oh, I just fell. Oh my god, it makes your head look really weird. Oh, it's so bright. We are now about to make cakes. I don't know whether that means literal big cakes or cupcakes. So we're either making Anna's boobs or my boobs, but we don't know yet. We'll find out soon. Big titty and big booby. Yeah. Guys, we finished our cookies. I can't even tell you which ones Anna did and which ones I did because I literally just don't remember. You did that one though and it's so good. It's actually my favourite one. This looks like a Krispy Kreme donut and it's also my favourite. That one was mine, it kind of flopped a little bit though, but then look! Yay! We're so cute. So the competition has arrived. Dun dun dun. Look at them MasterChef pros over there. Katie and Hope's over here. Everyone's like piled stuff on top and we've just not. No, I like this one. Bonjour. So we've actually come to Grace and Grace's room because it's literally beautiful and the colours just kind of vibe more with my outfit because we're in a pink room at the minute and I'm very monochrome so it didn't really vibe well. But we've got dinner now and I think I've gone for like the pescatarian option just because it was like salmon and I'm having a prawn and crayfish fish cake. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I think we've got sticky ginger pudding. So now that we're back home and I'm entirely barefaced, you can probably tell what the transformation was that I had. I just do think I look so different compared to when I normally don't have makeup on. It just completely transforms your face. So for this, I actually went to a place in central London where I've been previously, and I just absolutely adore the woman who does my lashes. She is entirely the best in the game for this. We tried to film the process, but it was so hard because I didn't bring my tripod because I'm just stupid. But we actually ended up balancing it on the light above my head that she uses to obviously see the lashes, and I was f***ing myself. I thought my camera was going to fall on my face. But trust the process, of course. I just find it so relaxing just sitting there. And this is the result, as you could tell in the last clips. I know you've already seen it, but I just want to say thank you so much to Glamorous Lashes for doing these lashes for me. Every single time I go there, you absolutely amaze me, and I don't think you can get any better than her. I literally fall in love with myself every single time I have them done, and that's a very rare thing. So thank you so much for that. So now that we're all back up to date, it's time for the next step, which isn't that dramatic, but I guess we can put it in anyway. And that is nails. Painted them myself, so these are a bit like chippy at the minute. But my nails are constantly snapping, and it's so annoying because they'll get to a really nice length and then they'll just disintegrate on me for no reason. I thought I'd just go get some gels done because it makes your nails stronger. And I know a lot of people are going to be like, why aren't you getting acrylics? Because I have done in the past, but it's just so unhealthy for my nails. And I get into this bad habit of getting addicted to acrylics. Completely ruins my nails. I have no nails at the end of it, so I don't want to get back into that habit. So this is what they currently look like, and when I get back home, I'll show you what I went for. I'm stressed. I kind of want a nude because I feel like all of my clothes are in the monochrome area, you know. But then I really like the blue that I've got on my nails already. So I think it's just going to be a decision midway through the shop, you know, while I'm just sat there and she's already painted a different colour on. I will probably regret my decision, but we will see. So I'll see you when I get back. I'm excited. I feel like a new woman.
Filming right now.
Do you want to say hi?
Go on then, do it. Hi. Don't forget to subscribe to Hazzy.
Exactly. Thank you, Kate.
She's the best sister ever.
I think that's you actually, not me.
No, it's you.
But you can watch this video because it will be PG friendly. Yeah, teach me and then I'll do it. I don't know this. Wait, what? Didn't even notice.
Notice my punches got to roll. You got to keep your focus. You wanna say so.
I can be your sugar when you give me all that sweet. Yeah, I don't think we should do that one. It's a bit rude. How do people make this look nice?
What I would do is,
Is that actually how people wear this? Do I look too much of like a TikToker though? My hair's greasy and I just wanted to cover it.
You look cute, I don't think you look like TikTok.
I've just got back from having my nails done. I do like the colour, but it isn't the one I actually chose. It's really, really weird. How are you supposed to show your nails? I might hold the tan that I'm about to use instead to show you. This looks so weird. What else have I done? I put up my brows, I'm about to whiten my teeth, and then yeah, this time tomorrow I'll be landing for my first flight. That is so fun. Holy shit, that's gone so quick. I'm literally so scared because I'm doing it by myself. So that is it for this video. I know it was a bit of a mess with the motel vlog in the middle, but I hope it flowed all right, and I hope you think I look different. I love the hair, love the hair, love the hair, love the hair. I just prefer me blonde but not fully blonde. I feel like that was a bad time in my life.
Bye everyone!
Bye, subscribe, share with your friends.
Exactly.
What else can I do? Stay safe, stay hydrated, and stay groovy, girlies. Woo! Hate that so much.